I didn't throw a single shot with urethane today, though. I brought 4 reactor balls here, and they're going back to the hotel tonight, so because I'm not going to throw them. We're moving up in the world.
Camera.
Okay, you have to get in this. What are you doing?
This way, that way.
No.
Yes, turn around. Turn around. There.
You're gonna work the camera.
She's driving me nuts. I'm
I think
telling
Parker
you. Right
Bohn's trying to work the camera.
Oh, now they're gonna make announcements. All because you're over here playing around with the camera. You gonna hang it on the ceiling?
So we're gonna recap my day 3.
Okay, we're done.
That's about how my day 3 went. I might have beat 10 people on the page. Not very good.
Yeah, it wasn't exactly a stellar day for Sydney Bohn.
I tried a lot of different things, and I feel like I say that every day, and today was not my day. After going plus 71 to minus 143. Is that about right?
Yeah, that's about right. Well, but see,
Not
the
very
biggest
good.
problem today, every time, regardless of what you did, when you started to miss, you kept missing right. And you had to keep it on.
And I missed the head pin a fair amount.
Yeah, well, when you missed a little bit right, 6 became a popular number. I think you've heard that before in some of the other videos. But anyway, she had to keep it online. And then when Elaine broke down a little bit, I'll take the blame. I didn't have her move into the zone quick enough. But
Nope.
she still missed right, missed the head pin. Can't do that. But there are 2 more days left. So I'm going to be hopeful that one of these next 2 days, it's going to be all about you and you're going to go out there and crush them.
Yeah, I hope so too. But considering the first 3 days, we're just hoping for some better score, okay? I missed 3 makeables today. I was fiddling with my thumb a lot. My thumb hole felt not very good.
Let's just put it this way. She is looking for much better things to happen for her tomorrow and again the next day.
Mm-hmm.
But until then, please, by all means, stay tuned. Click that box.
No. Now we gotta watch Brandon. You can say that at the end if you'd like. Alright, so we just walked into the bowl and I look at Brandon's score, he's minus 39. Dad, what did you tell me about Brandon's score?
Well, Brandon is just continuing right where he left off from yesterday. So somehow he needs to uncheck and recheck to get back on board. Time will tell.
I really didn't think it could get much worse than it has the first 2 days. And, well, you know, they say it's only up from here. And he bowled 160 to start. So I want to say it's only up from here, but, well, he barely just made this very shot at. So hopefully it does go up from here.
I told him, make sure you hit the second target marker down lane. Do not get it past the second target marker down lane. Get bored doing that. Repeat. And then I asked him if the lanes were the same. The left lane was the same as the right lane because he just struck really, really good on the right lane. So try it again on left lane and let's see what happens.
Oh, he did it. He did it
Wow,
again.
that was cool. You should do that again.
I call it
Clean
that.
game.
Brandon's second clean game.
Second one.
We are climbing mountaintops right
What
now.
is this? Game 14?
This is game 14 of the week, and this is his second clean game.
He might even push it and get like a really good clean game of like 230 or 40 here.
His look is progressively getting better, considering he bowled 160 the first game. He did beat it by 50 the second game, so it is going up.
Just think if he beats it by 50 next game.
That'd be a lot. That's all I got. Sydney,
Whose fault was that?
that was your fault.
That was not my
That
fault.
was your fault.
How?
You can't control your damn hands.
Okay.
Please, please. We're hoping for a double. One down, one to go.
I need a 12 bagger.
I need a 9-bagger because I am already 3
If I
frames in.
throw the front 12, I have a chance. If I don't, turn it over.
Ride or die on the front 12 and the last 12. Do I think he gets it?
Yeah.
I love Cam, but absolutely not.
That was really bad. Let's just put it this way. I don't want to see him repeat that, but like I said to someone earlier, anytime they all fall over in the first shot, it makes the second one a lot easier. Let's see where this one goes. He'll give you the variety effect.
Wow, first real strike. Wow.
Amazing. That was a trifecta. One bad, one horrible, and one actually pretty good.
Hey,
Here with Brandon Bohn. So
here with Christian LaCorey, SCAD superstar this year. He's not a superstar in anything else besides SCAD.
thanks, you.
But after 3 days, he's bowling pretty good out here. So currently, I'm losing by a lot. I got him today. I snapped him off by 3 pins, but
For total, I think he's still losing by a couple thousand.
we really just gotta, put the past in the past. We still got 2 more days.
Got plenty of ball.
And I brought 4 reactor balls here, and they're going back to the hotel tonight, so I'm not going to throw them. I didn't throw a single shot with urethane today, though.
Proud of you. Way to work out there.
We're moving up in the world.
Highest day.
We're moving up in the world. All right, Mr. Bohn. How did today go?
My day went great. I never missed again.
Well,
Your day started really slow again. It actually was a continuation of yesterday's block. But fortunately, you decided to change just a little bit and actually get your arm and make a pass through the ball. Can you explain how that all changed your vision of the lane?
My vision of the lane was the same as it was game 1. I just moved 2 right. And then 2 right game 3. Another 2 right game 4. Another 2 right game 5. Yeah, it was the same. I bowled 160 the first game and 240, 250 games 3 and 4. And kind of just held on the last 2. 190, 230. So.
Yeah, but the passes you were making, you were getting right through the ball. You weren't trying to corkscrew it into the front part of the lane.
And
it was a reactive
I
ball.
did it with reactive. So.
Yep. So I think now you're starting to see a little bit of the warm and fuzzies, the difference of what the feel is for getting the urethane release, which I sincerely know you've got that.
Oh, yeah.
But at least today you were able to jump on board throwing a reactive ball, and you actually made it look really, really good from obviously a pretty deeper part of the lane.
Yeah, so another good day.
All right.
Hopefully tomorrow. Best day so far, and we'll get up in the morning and watch City Ball. So day 4 coming at you.
You know what? We'll look forward to it. Until then,
I'm out. Time for dinner. See ya.
peace out.
Subscribe,
That's number 1.
hit the notification bell,
Number 2.
hit the like button,
You're doing great.
and share with your friends so they can enjoy the content too.
All you have to do is do all of that, and you too will watch us right here on the Bohn Legacy. Until then,
Peace.